Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the stunning bikini fashion choices of the one and only Ale F. Ale often opts for bikinis featuring bold prints and patterns. From tropical florals to abstract designs, her choice in prints adds a vibrant and playful element to her beachwear. This choice reflects her lively personality and her comfort with experimenting with different looks. A notable trend in her bikini fashion is the mix and match approach. She pairs different tops and bottoms to create unique combinations, showcasing her creative styling abilities. This method not only highlights her fashion-forward thinking but also promotes versatility in swimwear. While she enjoys vibrant prints, the actress also appreciates the timeless elegance of monochrome bikinis. Black, white, and neutral tones are often seen in her bikini collection. These classic colors underline her sophisticated style and are perfect for a minimalist yet striking beach look. Her choice of high-waisted bikini bottoms is both fashionable and flattering. This retro-inspired trend accentuates her waistline and offers a comfortable fit, combining style with practicality. It also shows her inclination towards vintage-inspired fashion elements. Incorporating sporty elements into her bikini choices, the beauty often selects pieces that blend functionality with style. Bikinis with sporty cuts, racerback tops, and supportive fits highlight her active lifestyle while maintaining a chic appearance. The actress complements her bikinis with statement accessories such as oversized sunglasses, wide-brimmed hats, and delicate jewelry. These accessories enhance her overall beach look, adding a touch of glamour and sophistication. Ale doesn't shy away from neon and bright colors. Her bikinis in vibrant hues like electric blue, hot pink, and bright yellow stand out, making a bold fashion statement. These colors not only highlight her youthful energy but also ensure she remains a focal point on the beach or by the pool. Reflecting a growing trend in fashion, the actress has also shown an interest in sustainable swimwear. She opts for bikinis made from eco-friendly materials, promoting environmental consciousness through her fashion choices. Her bikini collection features pieces with unique cutouts and silhouettes, adding an edgy twist to her beachwear. These designs offer a modern and fashionable look, demonstrating her willingness to embrace contemporary trends. Ale F often selects bikinis made from textured fabrics like ribbed material, crochet, or smock fabric. These textures add depth and interest to her swimwear, making each piece visually captivating and unique. The tactile quality of these fabrics also enhances the overall aesthetic of her beach look. Strappy bikinis are a recurring theme in her swimwear collection. Whether it's multiple straps on the bikini top, intricate bag designs, or side-tie bottoms, these details add a dynamic and trendy flair. Strappy bikinis emphasize her fit physique and bring a modern, edgy vibe to her style. The actress occasionally incorporates retro-inspired bikinis into her wardrobe. High-waisted bottoms, halter necks, and polka dots are some of the vintage elements she embraces. These styles pay homage to classic swimwear fashion while adding a nostalgic yet contemporary touch to her beachwear. In contrast to her bolder choices, she also appreciates minimalist cuts that emphasize simplicity and elegance. Triangle tops, bandeaus, and simple briefs in solid colors create a sleek, understated look that is both timeless and chic. This minimalist approach highlights her natural beauty and effortless style. Ruffles and frills add a playful and feminine touch to her bikini collection. Whether adorning the edges of bikini tops or bottoms, these embellishments create a soft, romantic look. Ruffled bikinis are perfect for adding a bit of whimsy and charm to her beach attire. The one-shoulder bikini trend is another favorite of Ale's. This asymmetrical design offers a sophisticated and modern twist on traditional bikinis. One-shoulder tops are flattering and chic, providing a unique silhouette that stands out. The actress occasionally incorporates ethnic and bohemian influences into her swimwear. Bikinis with tribal prints, embroidery, or boho-inspired designs reflect her appreciation for diverse cultures and artistic patterns. These pieces add an eclectic and global touch to her collection. For a more glamorous look, the beauty opts for bikinis made from metallic and shimmery fabrics. Gold, silver, and other reflective materials create a dazzling effect, perfect for making a statement at the beach or poolside events. These fabrics add a luxe vibe to her swimwear choices. In addition to traditional bikinis, the actress also wears cutout monokinis. These swimsuits feature strategic cutouts that create an alluring and fashionable look. Monokinis offer the coverage of a one-piece with the style of a bikini, making them a versatile choice for various occasions. Her swimwear collection sometimes includes personalized and custom pieces. These bikinis might feature her initials, unique patterns, or custom fits designed specifically for her. Personalized swimwear highlights her individuality and adds a bespoke element to her fashion choices. The actress keeps her swimwear collection updated with seasonal trends. From pastel hues in spring to earthy tones in autumn, her bikinis reflect the changing seasons. This adaptability ensures her beachwear remains fresh and relevant throughout the year. Ale F's fashion choices increasingly reflect her commitment to sustainability. She often chooses bikinis made from recycled or eco-friendly materials like regenerated nylon or organic cotton. These eco-conscious choices highlight her awareness of environmental issues and promote sustainable fashion. The actress favors versatile bikini tops that can double as bralettes or crop tops. These multifunctional pieces are not only practical but also stylish, allowing her to transition seamlessly from beachwear to casual wear. This versatility demonstrates her knack for maximizing her wardrobe's potential. Color blocking is a striking trend that Ale embraces in her bikini choices. By combining contrasting or complementary colors in her swimwear, she creates bold and eye-catching looks. This trend allows her to experiment with different color palettes and make a strong visual impact. In addition to retro high-waisted bottoms, the actress also incorporates other vintage-inspired elements like pin-up styles and ruche details. These bikinis often feature sweetheart necklines and playful skirts, evoking a sense of nostalgia while staying chic and stylish. Animal prints are another staple in her bikini collection. Leopard, zebra, and snake prints add a wild and adventurous flair to her beachwear. These patterns are bold and trendy, perfect for making a statement and exuding confidence. For a touch of glamour, the beauty opts for bikinis with embellishments such as beads, sequins, and embroidery. These decorative elements add texture and sparkle, making her beachwear suitable for both daytime lounging and evening pool parties. High-cut bikini bottoms are a popular choice in Ale's swimwear arsenal. This style elongates the legs and accentuates her figure, creating a sleek and sexy silhouette. High-cut designs are both flattering and on-trend, showcasing her fashion-forward approach. Reflecting her active lifestyle, the actress often wears sporty bikinis that provide both support and style. These pieces feature athletic cuts, sturdy fabrics, and functional designs suitable for activities like swimming, beach volleyball, or paddleboarding. Bright neon colors are a recurring theme in her bikini collection. These vibrant hues, such as lime green, neon pink, and electric blue, make a bold fashion statement and are perfect for standing out on the beach. Neon bikinis highlight her playful and energetic personality. Bandeau tops are a favorite for Ale, offering a strapless option that's perfect for avoiding tan lines. These tops are versatile and can range from simple, sleek designs to more elaborate styles with knots, twists, or ruffles. For added support and structure, the actress often chooses bikinis with underwire tops. These styles provide a flattering lift and enhance her natural shape, combining functionality with a fashionable look. Minimalist bikinis with clean lines and simple designs are another staple in her wardrobe. These pieces focus on fit and fabric quality, creating an elegant and timeless look that is both sophisticated and effortless. In addition to full neon bikinis, the beauty also incorporates neon accents into her swimwear. These might be in the form of piping, straps, or small panels that add a pop of color without overwhelming the entire look. Floral prints are a classic choice that Ale frequently includes in her bikini collection. From small, delicate patterns to large, bold blossoms, floral bikinis add a touch of femininity and charm to her beachwear. Asymmetrical bikini tops and bottoms provide a modern and edgy twist to her swimwear. These unique designs create visual interest and highlight her willingness to embrace unconventional fashion elements. There you have it, Ale F's bikini fashion choices are as diverse and stunning as she is. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.